Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to do What's New Wednesday. Let's get it into it. I have Happy Mail from Rose Colored Daze, and I actually have two that I ordered 2 days apart, but they both arrived on the same day, and I don't know which one is which. Let's open the big one first. Okay, so this is hard. Okay, I think this was the second one I ordered, maybe. Okay, so you all know I said I don't have vellums and acetates and things like that. So they had some that were, I think it was kind of like a clearance sale or on sale, so I grabbed some. Let's just take everything out of the plastic. Okay, so this is what we got. Let's start with these first. So this is acetate, but it is, I've never really seen the acetate with color like this along with the foiling. Oh, that looks even better. So yeah, it's got the pink looking foil on the back. That is nice. Okay, so we got that one. Then this is like a marbled streak, but it's very faint pink in the background. I'm gonna keep them together. And then this is, I think these were from the birthday box or birthday release. So, and these are little cupcakes. Okay, so that is that. Then I needed tabs. Oh, and I got one of these. The June, what do you call it? Acetate for the month. I wouldn't mind having the whole year of these, but I think these come in a subscription box, or maybe they're a freebie each month. I'm not sure, but I really like those. The shop is Rose Colored Daze. It says Gold Digger on the other side, but this is the information for the shop. Okay, then, oh, these are overlays. How do I show this? Hopefully that'll pick up. So these are overlays. You got a full box overlay and headers. So you would take this and put it over a full box, and it would have a little decoration at the top. Same thing for the headers. Now, you all know I kind of steer clear of this kind of thing a lot because of the glare factor, and I'm taking photos of things a lot, but it is really pretty in person. It's just hard to take photos of glossy things. Okay, so this was what I was really in it for. I was just browsing the shop. These are foiled tab stickers. So I'm not sure how I would use these, the yearly, monthly, weekly, daily purchases, blah, 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 blah. But I was really interested in, this is old because it's got 2018, 2019 on it, but I really wanted the months. And I think this was on sale. You know, y'all know I don't buy anything unless it's on sale, usually. So this is the same thing. It's just a marbled background, but it's got the same thing on the tabs as the black. Then this one is white. And then the pink one. And then this one is like a purplish color. I'm trying to hold it to the side so you can, and I think I like this one the best. This one is more of a matte finish. This is glossy, 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 glossy. So this one has more of a a matte or satin finish. I wouldn't say that it's actually matte, it's more satin. Okay, so that was my first order from Rose Colored Daze. Well, I think that was the first order. I don't know. Anywho, so here's the other package. Let's see what's in here. Yes, this was actually the first order because this is some new releases that I picked up. Got the bow baggie that it comes in. Let's take these out. So I get another one of the June. This one is silver. So the other one is gold. I like that they're different. Another card. So I get the overlays again. This one is silver. I think the other one was like gold or rose gold. This one is silver. So there's that. I think this is the packing slip. Yes, it is. This is my order. I wonder if I can make a pocket out of this. Probably not. It's upside down. Okay. So I need a black piece of paper. Let's get a little black piece of paper. These are overlay tapes. Let's open this one so you can get an idea of what it's like. Let's see. So this is the days of the week. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to take these two off. They're perforated, so they tear easily. Let's see. Where's my ruler? What is the size? They're approximately 1.5 inches. So this is what they look like. I'm going to tear them apart and put them down. Oh, these look so good. If only the tape was not glossy, that would be great. But, so this is what they look like. Can you see? Without the glare. So I think these are meant to go over another sticker. So if you have, I mean, this could go over anything though. If you use your marker and just make a colored space, this would go over it. Anything. You could pretty much put this over anything for your days of the week. So got a whole roll of that. Then, so this one is dates. And they're like probably about 1/4 of an inch. So I'm just going to take off a few so that you can see what they look like. Let's see. And they are individual. This is so perfect. So it goes like this. You can just tear them apart. And I probably need tweezers if I want to lay them down straight. But so there's 16, 17. And I think I could live with the glossiness of these a little bit better because they are smaller, so it's not as big of a deal. Oops. But there we go. So that's what that one looks like. That is awesome. Okay. So, and it goes all 1 through 31. This one is black, and I think it's the same thing. Let's see. Let's try it on this paper. Okay. So yeah. I'm not going to tear these apart. I'm just going to put it down so you can see what it looks like. And there it is. I really like the black. And then let's open this last one. So this one is times. let's see, I'm going to tear it off here so you can get a good look. So if you want to do a timed spread, but you don't need it every day, this is a good option. So there it is, and it even has the 30-minute, it's in 30-minute increments. So 9, 9:30, 10, 10:30, 11, 12, 11:30, 12, so forth and so on. And the times can be torn, so each number is an individual piece of tape or overlay, or I don't know what you would want to call it. They are considered overlays, I guess. But yeah, so you can select whatever time schedule you want to use, and you got a whole row of it available to use whenever you want. So I thought that was pretty cool. So that's everything that I got from Rose Colored Daze, and I'm happy with everything that I got. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.